Hey Brad, what are you looking at?
Oh, hey Jeff. So I need to come up with a new production standard for a towel we produce. So I pulled up how many cases we produced per hour over the last 3 months to get some data to work with.
I had to do that too. I just took the average of all the production runs. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
No man, easy peasy mac and cheesy.
What?
Mac and cheesy. I don't like lemons.
Well, I'm lactose intolerant. I can't eat cheese.
Well, anyways, I could take the average, but some of the data doesn't reflect what a normal production run would be.
Well, good luck. I got better things to do. They're handing out free string cheese in the break room. I gotta go.
Hi, Brad. Looks like you're digging into some data. Why does it say MAD average? I didn't know averages had feelings.
MAD stands for mean absolute deviation. It measures how variable the data is. But that's a lot of words to fit into a spreadsheet.
Are you working on a production standard too? I just used the mode for mine.
The number that occurs most in a data set? Nice.
Yeah, that makes the most sense to me. Besides, I got better things to do.
Mean absolute deviation will help me get a more accurate set of data. Many things can happen during the day on the floor. Let's see what happens when I calculate the MAD to find the upper and the lower thresholds.
Well, Jeff took the average of all the data. While that might sound like a good idea, there were some very low production days due to raw material issues and mechanical issues. Because those don't reflect a normal production run, it wouldn't be a good idea to include that data when coming up with a production standard.
That makes sense.
I never thought I'd use mean absolute deviation in real life. It's a good thing I had some great math teachers.
Hey, this free string cheese has your name on it.
That's my lunch, man.